Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to always show or hide bookmarks bar in Google Chrome. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. When you browse the internet, often you mark some interesting and important web pages as the bookmarks on Google Chrome. All your marked bookmarks become available on the Google Chrome Bookmarks Bar. Google Chrome comes with the default setting as Disabled Bookmark Bar. This restricts the appearance of the Google Chrome Bookmark Bar from any open web page. So you can access the bookmark bar from the new tab by default. However, by default, the bookmark bar is hidden to give you more screen space, so you can easily show or hide the bookmarks bar based on your needs. So how to do it if you want to show or hide the bookmarks bar on your Google Chrome? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open your bookmarks. Google Chrome, and from here you can see my bookmarks bar. And here's the bookmarks bar. If you click on it, all bookmarks, you can check. You can see all your bookmarks website in here. Now you can disable it. You can just select on the three dots over here. You can go to settings. From settings, you can go to appearance. From appearance, you'll find there is an option show bookmarks bar. So by default, this feature active. If you want to disable this feature, you can just tap on the toggle in here. So now you can see there's no more bookmarks bar on your uh, Google Chrome home. It's very simple, right? And if you want to show it, you can just enable this. You can see your bookmarks. It's very simple, right? So that is how to show or hide bookmarks bar in Google Chrome. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!